Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the connection right. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then set the phone to file transfer mode. Plug the original USB cable into both devices. The Mac should detect MTP once the phone is unlocked. If you prefer wireless, install an SMB or FTP server app on Android instead, because that avoids drivers. Once done, install Android file transfer on the Mac or prepare your chosen server app. This establishes the pathway you will use to move files now. Now perform the transfer itself. If using USB, open Android file transfer on the Mac and navigate folders. Drag and drop files to your Mac. For Wi-Fi, make sure both devices share the same network. Launch the Android SMB/FTP app and note the IP address and credentials. On the Mac, use Finder Connect to server for SMB or an FTP client for FTP. Enter the IP, port, and login. Make sure transfer is complete before disconnecting, because partial writes corrupt. Finish by verifying the files on your Mac. Open a document or media file to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, first try a different USB cable and reboot both devices. Make sure file transfer mode is still active. If USB fails repeatedly, switch to SMB, FTP, or a cloud service like Google Drive as a fallback. These work around driver problems. One key tip: if transfers stop midway, do not force eject the phone. Cancel and retry to avoid file system errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.